Welcome. Today we'll learn how to solve an important integral involving the derivative of a function divided by the function itself. Here's our integral. The integral of f prime of x over f of x dx. Our goal is to show that this equals the natural logarithm of the absolute value of f of x plus c. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's recognize the form of this integral. Notice that the integrand has a very special structure. It's the derivative of a function divided by the function itself. Step 2. Let's recall a key fact about logarithms. The derivative of the natural log of the absolute value of u with respect to u is 1 over u. Step 3. Let's make a substitution. Let u equal f of x. Then do equals f prime of x dx. Step 4. Using this substitution, our integral transforms into the integral of 1 over u do. Step 5. Now we can integrate. The integral of 1 over u do equals the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. Finally, step 6. Let's substitute back u equals f of x. This gives us our final answer, the natural log of the absolute value of f of x plus c. This is a very important result in calculus. It shows up frequently in integration problems and differential equations. The key is to recognize when you see a derivative divided by its function. That's your clue that logarithms will be involved in the solution.